How to verify your Discord account, easy tutorial. So if you want to verify your Discord account, well, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you want to simply go to discord.com and log into the account that you want to verify. Now you can also use the app. It is totally depending upon your own choice. Once you do that, from the bottom, you'll find this little gear icon that says user settings, right? So you want to go to this gear icon over here and you want to go to my account. Under my account, now verification usually means either email verification or phone verification. In my case, I have actually verified both, but if in your case you have not verified your email or phone number, you'll find the verify option there, and it's going to send a code to the appropriate email or the phone number depending upon which one you provided. So you want to simply go to that particular email, and once you've done that, then you'll be able to verify along with your phone number with the verification code. And this way you'll be able to verify your Discord account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.